Hello everyone, welcome back to Think Lab by Saurabh. So in today's video, we are going to learn one of the most important component of a retrieval augmented generation system, also known as RAG. So that component is we called retrieval. So many people focus only on choosing the best large language model and others spend time to selecting the embedding model or vector databases. But there is one more critical step, the step we retrieving the right information, right? So if the retrieval fail, even the smartest LLM will generate the poor answer. So today we will understand 7 retrieval strategies that are used in modern AI system. So let's begin. So the first question is what is the retrieval? So first let's understand the retrieval. So imagine you have 10,000 documents stored in the knowledge base. So a user can ask a question. So does the LLM read all 10,000 documents? So answer is no. That would not be because it will be too slow and too expensive, right? So instead of the system search for only the most relevant document, so this relevant document are sent to LLM and the LLM use the context to generate the final answer. So this entire searching process is called retrieval. So remember this is a very simple pipeline. So user asked a question, the retrieval search the knowledge base and retrievable document are found, right? So those documents are sent to LLM and LLM generate the answer. So the quality of retrieval directly affect the quality of final response. So let's explore the 7th retrieval strategy. So the first strategy is the dense retrieval. So the first strategy is the dense retrieval. Dense retrieval use the embedding. So both the user query and the documents are converted into the vector, and the system compare this vector using the similarity search. So it does not depend on the exact word. Instead of understanding the meaning of sentence, for example, someone search for the how do you I purchase a vehicles, right? So the document contain the word buy a car. So even though the word are different, the meaning is same. So dense retriever successfully find the current document, and this makes the perfect for chatbot, semantic search, and the modern RAG system. Now we are moving to the strategy to sparse retrieval. So the second strategy is a sparse retrieval. So this strategy focus on keyword, right? So it's look like the exact word that appear in the document. So there is popular algorithms like BM25 and the TF-IDF, right? Suppose you search for the transformer architecture. So a sparse retrieval will find the documents containing those have the exact word, right? So in simple, it is a very simple and fast and highly interpretable, right? So it's performed very well when the exact terminology is important. So this is why many traditional search engine use the sparse retrieval. Now we are moving to the strategy 3, hybrid retrieval. So this is the third strategy we call the hybrid retrieval. So hybrid retrieval combine the dense retrieval and the sparse retrieval. So dense retrieval just understand the meaning, and the sparse retrieval understand the keyword. And by combining the both method, we get the better search quality. So imagine you are searching a technical topic. So the semantic meaning is important, but exact word is also important. So hybrid retrieval balance the both. So it's improved the recall, it's also improved the re-ranking, and also reduce the missed result. So that's why many enterprise AI application use this hybrid retrieval today, right? So now we are moving to the next strategy, strategy for multi-stage retrieval. So now let's discuss the multi-stage retrieval. So this strategy works with the multiple step. One step for fast retrieval, the system quickly find the many candidate document, and a stop two is re-ranking. So a re-ranker model score those documents, and the most relevant document move to the tops. So finally, one of the best documents are sent to the LLM, and this approach improves the answer quality without searching the entire databases. So it's a commonly used for the production AI system where the accuracy is most important. So now we are moving to the strategy 5. We call the metadata filtering, right? So the fifth strategy is the metadata filtering. So sometimes searching by meaning is not enough. You may also want to document from this year, right? Or it's document written by the specific author, or document is in English, or document in any other language, or document from the finance department or any other department. So meta filtering apply this document before retrievals. This reduce the unnecessary search. So it's also make the retrieval much faster and more accurate. So enterprise knowledge base use this meta filtering mostly, right? So now we are moving to the next strategy, strategy 6, multi hope retrieval, right? So now let's learn the multi-hop retrieval. So some question cannot be answered using the single document. So this system must combine the information from the multiple documents. For example, the first document explain the company, second document explain the product, and the third document explain the customer review. So the retrieval gather the information from the all three. So the LLMs combine everything to generate one complete answer. So this process is called the multiple hop retrieval. So it is very useful for research paper, legal analysis, scientific literature, and complex reasoning, right? So now we are moving to the strategy 7, agentic retrieval. Okay. So finally we have agentic retrieval. This is the last one. So this is the one of the newest and most advanced retrieval strategy. So instead of following the fixed rule, AI agent decide how to retrieve the information. So for one question it may use the dense retrieval. For the another question it may use the hybrid retrieval. Sometimes it can use the metadata filtering. Sometimes it perform the multi-hop retrieval. So the AI choose the best strategy automatically. So this make retrieval more intelligent and adaptive. So agentic retrieval is the becoming the future of enterprise AI and autonomous AI agent, right? So which question is which retrieval strategy should you choose, right? So let's answer the important questions, right? Why this retrieval strategy should you use, right? So if you need semantic understanding, so then you choose the dense retrieval. If you want to exact keywords are important, so choose the sparse retrieval. If you want to be best overall performance, then you choose the hybrid retrieval. If maximum accuracy is your goal, so then you can choose the multi-stage retrieval. If your document contain useful attributes like data, author, or so, then you can go with the metadata filtering. So if your question required information from the multi-source, so you can use a multiple hop retrieval. And if you are building the advanced AI agent, so agentic retrieval is the best choice, right? So let's quickly summarize this video. So the final summary, so dense retrieval is just for the understanding meaning. Sparse retrieval focus on the keywords. So hybrid retrieval combine the semantic and search and semantic search and keyword search. Multi-state retrieval retrieve the first and the re-rank later. Metadata filtering search using the document attributes. Multi-hop retrieval combine the knowledge from multiple sources. Agentic retrieval intelligently select the best retrieval strategy. Right. So important thing. This is the important. This remember this very simple formula. Best retrieval. Better retrieval leads to better context. Better context lead to better reasoning. Better reasoning leads to the better AI answer. So retrieval is the bridge between your knowledge base and your large language model, right? So it's work like a breeze between the knowledge base and the LLMs, right? So without good retrieval, even the most powerful AI cannot answer correctly. So I hope this video help you to understand the retrieval strategy in the very simple and practical way. So if you found this video useful, so please like it, share it with your friend and colleague, and subscribe the Think Lab by Saurabh for more tutorials on AI, RAG, LLM, machine learning, data science. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Happy learning.